oil bounced back after reaching a 3-year high. This was a quite expected move, and it may be another break before oil continues its rally. There are still no factors that can push the prices lower. At the same time, there are plenty of drivers that support the bullish trend. In addition to rising gas prices in Europe, there are new signs of supply deficit in the oil market. In particular, a possible shortage in petroleum and disruption to supply have already been noticed in the UK, where long queues were seen in front of gas stations. Therefore, the demand for fuel is sure to surge further. As we can see on the chart, Brent crude has pulled back from the level of $80 a barrel amid a strong overbought status in the market. At the moment, the price of Brent has slipped lower while going through a technical correction. This decline in oil futures may be of a short-term nature. The next support for Brent is seen between $77 and $75 a barrel. So the quote is unlikely to move below this price range. Meanwhile, WTI futures approached the high of July 6 and then stopped their growth and pulled back. A reversal is possible near the range of $73 to $71 a barrel. It may take a few days for the price to reach this level. The ruble has lost its confidence in the forex market. Notably, it was not the only currency that lost its ground against the US dollar yesterday. On the other hand, the Russian currency is still getting support from a strong oil market. Higher oil prices kept the ruble from a deeper fall yesterday. At the same time, they proved that the growth potential of the ruble has reached its limit. In the meantime, the dollar-ruble pair has gone through a pullback after approaching the levels of September 15-17. The pair is currently trading at 72.75. A steady resumption of the uptrend may start if the quote fails to settle below the level of 72.20 rubles per dollar. Likewise, the euro-ruble pair is following a downtrend and has reached the levels of mid-April. A technical pullback happened in the area of 85.20 and the price continues to fall. Currently, the quotes came to a halt at the level of 84.85. For the pair to continue the descending cycle, the price needs to hold below this level for some time. The question is whether the ruble's upside potential is over. It's not clear yet, but when it comes to oil, everything is quite straightforward. Judging by the situation in the energy market and the current panic in the UK, we can assume that investors will fear a further supply deficit, thus pushing fuel prices higher. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.